Hey everyone, it's me, Ella the Inventor Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make some owl eyes. Wait, what? Owl eyes? Am I serious? Yep, I am. So these eyes will help us see in the dark. Wait, what? Yep. So, not really, but it's sort of like a flashlight stand on top of you. So then you always have a flashlight in front of you. Sort of like a headlight, but different, and they look like owl eyes. So what you're going to need is 4 toilet paper tubes, rolls, some tape, and some scissors, a flashlight, and some pep cleaners, which I don't have right here at my desk at the moment, but I'll get them later. Alright, so first what you gotta do is cut open these toilet paper tubes, all 4 of them. So go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how to put them together. Add the flashlight on top, add the thing to go on your head, and boom, you can see. Okay, now that you've got them out, you're going to sort of flatten them or just like do this to them. So go ahead and do that to all of them, see? So we don't want them to be too curvy, but sort of like this, sort of like a wristband, yeah. That's it, almost done. Last one. And yeah, ta-da. Okay. Now it's time for the tip. So tricky. You're going to put them together like this. So sort of like one gigantic goggles. Or giant goggles. Yeah, that's a way to explain it. Giant goggles. So go ahead. So you put 2 of them. So you take 2 of the toilet paper rolls. And then you tape them together, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does, because that's how you're going to put it together. So go ahead and do that too. So then it's like 2 eyes. So go ahead and do that. Got it? Got it. Good job and good luck. Okay, ta-da, my 2 eyes, I see you. Okay, now you're going to take some tape and tape them together. So we want them to be even where you look through them. So I'm going to put them at the tip and match them up. There, okay. But now I'm gonna add some tape on the other side to help it stay even and balanced. And I'm even gonna add some tape on the bottom, but not the top. Okay, just couple, oops, I can't see it. And then just a couple top on the bottom. And sticky. Well, ta-da! I still see you. And actually, you know what? I don't even think that you should have this on your head unless if you really wanted to. but I'll show you how to put it around your head next. So you're going to need 2 or 3 pipe cleaners, depending on the size of your head. So tape a pipe cleaner loop onto the goggle. Then tape the other pipe cleaner onto the other side of the goggle. And then when you want them on, just tie in the back. Alright, okay. Now it's time to add the part that makes this owl eyes. We're going to tape on the flashlight. So, let me bring this a little closer so it's easier to see. Now, so what you're going to do is place it onto the goggles, just like I did. Take a piece of tape. Oopsie. Slightly sticky. And then tape it on. Hang on. Alright. But a very easy way to do it is just to put the tape on the flashlight first. Sorry that you can't see it. And then put the flashlight onto the goggles. And then I'm just going to secure it. Sometimes it's good that tape is sticky and sometimes it is not. And then I'm just going to reinforce it and then show you how to use it. Alright, ta-da! So what you do is you just turn it, look through it and then tie it around your head. So yeah, that's how you use it. Oh, and it'll bright everything up. So yeah. That's how you make some owl eye goggles. Bye!